In this video, you'll learn how to create an exam planner using Notion. By following these steps, you will set up a useful tool to manage your study schedule efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. This will take you to the Notion homepage, where you can access your workspace or create a new account if you haven't already done so. Once you are on the Notion homepage, locate the drop-down menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. You should see various sections, including your workspaces and templates. Next, find and click on the Templates option from the drop-down menu. This action will direct you to the Templates page, where you can explore different categories and styles of templates available for use. After that, look for the Marketplace option, which is usually located on the left sidebar. Clicking on Marketplace will take you to a new page dedicated to various templates created by the Notion community and other users. In the Marketplace, you will see a search bar at the top. Type in Exam Planner to find relevant templates specifically designed for organizing study schedules and exam preparation. Once the search results populate, browse through the available options and choose a template that suits your needs. Each template will have a preview that helps you understand its layout and functionality before making a selection. Now, click on the chosen template to view its details. You will see an Add button on this page. Clicking Add will initiate the process of integrating this template into your personal Notion workspace. Following this, you will need to click on the Add to Private button. This ensures that the selected template is added privately to your workspace, allowing you to customize it without affecting others. After adding the template, a notification will appear indicating that the template is being added to your account. Wait for this process to complete, which usually takes just a few moments. Once the template is added, you will receive a confirmation message stating that the template is ready for use. This message indicates that you can now access and start customizing your planner. Next, click on the See Template button to view the newly added exam planner. This action will open the planner in a new page, allowing you to start making adjustments and adding You will now see the main page of the exam planner. Click on the exam planner title at the top to ensure you're in the correct section. This page serves as the central hub for all your exam-related information. Continue by clicking on Study Plan to access the section where you can outline your study schedule and topics to cover before exams. This area is crucial for organizing your study time effectively. Next, click on Study Progress to track your advancement through your study materials. This feature allows you to mark topics as completed, helping you stay on top of your study goals. After that, click on Study Plan by subject to categorize your study sessions by different subjects. This organization will make it easier to focus on specific areas that require more attention. Then click on All Plans to view all your study plans in one place. This overview helps you manage your time and ensure that you are prepared for all upcoming exams. Next, click on Study Plan Calendar to visualize your study schedule. This calendar view allows you to see your planned study sessions and exam dates at a glance. Finally, click on Exam Schedule to access the section dedicated to your exam dates and details. This area is essential for keeping track of when each exam is scheduled, ensuring you are prepared in advance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.